Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Clifford Smith, aka Mr. Vegas, has been denied his injunction in a New York court against VP, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. Hit that subscribe button if it's the first time tuning in. Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. Jamaica's dancehall artist Clifford Smith, aka Mr. Vegas, in a district court decision has been denied the request to bar VP from collecting royalties from some of his hit songs, which are subjected to copyright infringement and breach of contract lawsuit. According to court documents obtained by Dancehall magazine, the online social media platform, Judge Paula K. Cheng shut down Vegas' motion of preliminary injunction last Thursday, October 27, writing in an order that the artist has failed to demonstrate either irreparable harm or likelihood of success on the merits. The lawsuit was originated in 2021. The Head's Eye DJ alleged that his Head's Eye 1997 and his Kill 'Em With It remix, Suck It Duck in 1998, Hot Walk 2006, and Gallus of 2009 are involved in a lawsuit which is disproving that it is also involved in 4 other songs also from Sean Paul debut album Stage 1 in 2000, namely Happy Get the Gal, Hot Gal Today, Tiger Bone, and Skit Nicky, all of which features Mr. Vegas, and Check It Deeply, which was produced by Mr. Vegas. Vegas had sought to prevent VP from selling and distributing track exploiting his image and likeness, while in the lawsuit that's being litigated. In an alternative, the Broke It Down DJ also asked the court to order the Reggae label to place money in an ongoing sale of the dispute songs in a escrow account that until the lawsuit is complete. In their response, the motion, VP countered that Sean Paul, several producers, writer, and listener would be hurt by the injunction were granted, removing the song from the marketplace from the stream platform. VP was keen to note that the injunction were granted, then this would affect these people, but it does not show that Mr. Vegas would lose, because VP said that they would lose approximately $35,000 US if the songs being disputed would be granted. They countered that they has looked at also the subsidiary and the other platforms that Vegas has his song on, and they have recorded over 37 songs that is not involved in the lawsuit. Thus, according to them, Mr. Vegas is clearly not harmed by the association with VP Music or Green Sleeve and the sales of the records on which he appealed. Now, the company has argued that the owner of the licensing is them, but they also said that these songs were sold when they bought Green Sleeve. Another major point that was connected to the lawsuit, they responded that the breach of contract that they are being sued for was signed between Green Sleeve and Mr. Vegas. Under the contract, Heads High, which is Mr. Vegas' most streamed song, and the remix appeared on its 20-track Heads High album, which was released via Green Screen in 1998. Green Sleeve was later acquired by VP Records in 2008. In his complaint, Vegas alleged that prior acquisition of Greenpeace paid account of royalties for the two versions of Headsai. But however, since the acquisition, the Greensleeve royalty statement no longer included royalties on those records, he claimed. In response, VP argued that they were not party of the contract, and Greensleeve record was not named in the defendant in Vegas lawsuit, even though the company still exists. Mr. Vegas has been directed to advise the court by November 4, 2022 on how he would proceed with the case in light of the hurdles discussed regarding the copyright infringement in this claim. Now me I give Mr. Vegas a little glad advice, cause you a smart person. So the judge just told you, let me know how you going to move on. So all you have to do is just reclaim through Greensleeve and VP and get more money from them. Because listen people, in our world we are very talented as entertainers. Vegas is realizing that he will never get his youth back, and these people have bought the right to Mr. Vegas song. So when you hear Mr. Vegas heads high, you know say a VP and green screen own that. You're going to see Vegas is just getting a little bit. And since he have graduated with his associate in communication and moving on to his bachelor's, he's getting wise. He's reading. He's realizing say VP just can him and own him. So him want himself back. Something that he will never get back. My best wishes to Vegas. Continue on your journey and show the youth them how to claim back them things. You are going to. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment about this. Let me know what you think Vegas could do. Do you think, say, because the judge pan the case. You hear what she name? The judge pan the case is Judge Pamela K. Chen. And VP, as you see how VP people them look, they look like they're of Oriental descent. And when somebody named Chen, I can only, Yaganti, like how Sean Paul named Rodriguez Lee, I can only presume they have Oriental backgrounds or heritage. So my best wishes to Vegas, and I hope you get back where them thief from you. See the thief in VP there? Take away your royalty and I want to give it to you. Just because of some English stipulation in the contract, when I'm sure you did not know at the time. But now that you have your associating communications, now you understand how to decipher the dialect that they use to trick us. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more nappiness. Hit that red subscribe button and leave your comment. Share up the content.
So from them X with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flash it like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flash it like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them, well them shit and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them, well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier and real fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up people, TV, respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Blessed love, see it? Rastafari.